So I am hypothesizing that there is a baby orange inside of this orange, just because of the elliptical shape of the orange. Usually they're a sphere or a spheroid. Does anybody know how to peel an orange with a spoon? They taught us how to do that in facts class in middle school, and I do it every once in a while. Oh, the skin is too thick. This is gross. If I'm wrong, this is gonna make me sad. You want to eat it when I'm done? Ah, I ruined it. Okay, it hasn't like fully done the thing yet. Okay, look though. See how it's got the thing with the stuff? Yeah, there you go. See it? Does it look like a baby orange? You guys support this? It's not part of the regular orange. It's not as gigantic as I suspected. Oh no!